Greetings from the Grasshopper, everyone, and thanks for tuning in to GRYT. Today we're going to start off with a mellow tune to take us up into the forest. We're going to maybe find some snow, and hey, we might even see a squirrel or two. So thanks for tuning in, and let's go for the ride. Greetings from the Grasshopper, everybody. Today, when we left the house, well, this morning when we woke up, it was 0. So it had gotten down to freezing last night. So we heard rumor that there was snow up in the hills. This morning we waited till it was about 5 degrees, and then we started the bikes up and got up to some snow. And yeah, I got what I asked for. It's a little tricky to get out some of the slushy spots when we decided to turn around. It was kind of entertaining. Now we've gone up this other road that has a view that was just like spectacular. It's so awesome. So you can probably hear the drone in the background. But check out this view, guys. Isn't it awesome? And there's Mavis flying along, catching some scenic aerial views. But as you can see, space creature is incoming. Run! Run! Oh, okay. Get a grip, eh? Okay, so. Strange creature is following me. Run! Run! Anyway. Back to things. Okay. Our dose of silliness. I was somebody on Facebook deemed me the happy hiker. So there you have it. A few giggles in the forest with the grasshopper. But we found snow. It's not a lot, but as you can see from this recently clear-cutted area, that we did have a bit of snow last night. And I see those down there. I don't know if you can see them. They're the burn piles. So what they do once they've taken the trees out is they clear up a lot of the debris as much as possible and put it into the burn piles. And when the burn piles are going, it's pretty thick. But that way then when the tree planters come in, it's a little bit easier for them. And of course it's easier for little trees to grow. Little navigator with me. Oh, look out! There's squirrels in these trees. And they like to go up way high and grab the pine cones and throw them down. They're harvesting them for their snacks and, you know, lunches and cash for the winter time. But if you happen to be under one when they're tossing, look out, you'd be getting this pine cone right on the noggin. I would hike out there a bit, but you know, I don't think I'm going to get much of a better view than it is here. The bikes did pretty good today. The snowy, slushy mud stuff, though, is tricky for our tires, so it's kind of what you get. The 50-50 tire. At least I think that's pretty much what our tire is. There are the bikes. And Mavis is down. Bikes are looking very spectacular up in their view. Oh, incoming. Hopefully these people don't get angry with us. What are you guys doing here? No. Let's lower the GoPros. We don't want to be alarming in anything. You can't be filming up here. Hey, buddies. You just never know around here, right? Well, he's a real friendly guy. Yeah, got the big wave from that guy. I don't understand why people are so grumpy. I mean, look where you are. I don't know. Some people just got their panties in a knot. Well, the snow is melting quickly as the sun comes into it. Probably won't be here by the end of the day. Oh, you can hear the stream now that Mavis is down. Let's go check that out. This is the road we came up. There were some really big whoops in the other road we were on. Boy, it was weird. Alright. Well, that's pretty. And that dude was grumpy. Oh, more snow. Some people are just grumpy, you know? Alright, well. What are those squirrels? Guess we get back on the bikes. I don't think we're gonna go to any more snow today. That was enough. Sleepy slidey. But definitely go home. Maybe have some hot tea. Alright, safe travels. Well, that concludes my set for today, folks. Thanks again for tuning in to GRYT. I hope you enjoyed our adventure, our funky tunes, and hope we'll see you again back here sometime. If you stick around at the top of the hour, we'll have news, sports, and entertainment. Safe travels, everyone.
Close your eyes. What do you hear?
I hear the water. I hear the birds.
Do you hear your own heartbeat?
No.
Do you hear the grasshopper, which is at your feet?